Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the new range of hair care products. I personally have long hair and it is really difficult to manage. So I prefer cutting them more often due to split ends, dry and damaged hair. L'Oreal Paris Dream Length range of products is going to be the one-stop solution for all these issues because these are specifically formulated for people with long hair and wanting to grow your hair longer. And this range consists of 3 products. First one is the Restoring Shampoo, the Detangling Conditioner, and the star of the show is the No Haircut Cream. This is the first leave-in conditioner that does more than just gloss and shine to your hair. It also regenerates lengths and tips and seals those split ends. And it helps you sort out the issues of cutting your hair instead of going for a trim every now and then. It's been a couple of weeks since I started using and these are working amazingly well for my hair. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to use this product. I have already washed my hair with the Dream Length shampoo and the conditioner off camera, and now I'm going to apply the No Haircut cream on my wet hair. I'm gonna take a walnut size amount on my hand and run it through the strands of my hair. And since it's a leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna apply it from my mid-lengths to my ends. Now the No Haircut cream consists of 3 power ingredients for hair care like vegetal keratin, which helps protecting your hair from harsh treatments and seal those damaged tips, castor oil which helps nourishes the hair to help it grow longer, and essential vitamins for strength and restoring hair internally from any breakages. And for those who have long hair but find it difficult to manage, this range helps in detangling your hair in the first wash itself and helps you maintain healthy long hair. And since it's been a couple of weeks now, I'm so happy with the results. You guys can see it in the picture, my hair looks so smooth and healthy. So now I can not only maintain my hair but also have my dream length without any hassle. This is perfect for detangling your hair, grow your hair and seal those split ends. Also, you can use this before blow drying or straightening. It will protect your hair from heat up to 180 degrees. Now the No Haircut cream is paraben free and sulfate free, which is great, and it is priced at Rs 499 for 200 ml of product. I will leave the purchase links for all these products in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.